Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the air filter in your Mazda CX-5. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You will need a new air filter, which you can easily find online or at an auto parts store, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. This simple maintenance task can improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency significantly. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the air filter housing. You'll typically find 2 to 4 metal clips around the housing that need to be unfastened. Some models might also have a small hose or sensor wire connected, which you should carefully disconnect. Once all attachments are free, gently lift the top cover of the housing. This will reveal the old, dirty air filter inside, ready for removal. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old air filter. Take a moment to notice how it was seated, as the new one will go in the same way. Before inserting the new filter, quickly wipe away any leaves, dust, or debris from the housing's interior. Now, place your fresh air filter into the housing, making sure it sits perfectly flush. A proper fit is crucial for effective filtration. Finally, carefully lower the air filter housing cover back into place. Reconnect any hoses or sensors you detached earlier, and then secure all the metal clips firmly. Double-check that everything is tight and properly seated. Start your engine to ensure there are no unusual noises or warning lights. This simple replacement can be done in under 15 minutes and saves you money. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Regular air filter changes improve engine longevity and fuel economy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.